Ďakujem pekne. A teraz za poslanecký klub Európskej ľudovej strany kresťanských demokratov poprosím pani kolegyňu Zovko. Nech sa páči.
Thank you. No man is an island, entire of itself. Every man is a piece of the continent, a part of the main, said John Donne. 16 million jobs depend on transatlantic economy and on our decisions. Every delay costs us 5 billion euros annually. Businesses on both sides of the Atlantic are calling for clarity and predictability, not uncertainty and delay. Beyond all arguments, the facts are clear. In 2025, our transatlantic economy reached a record $9.8 trillion. Behind these numbers are real people, workers, entrepreneurs, families. I stand here to defend the European economy, our interests and our jobs. One certainty remains. Even in more challenging global trade environment, our economic ties have continued to grow. This resilience proves that transatlantic trade works. And if it works, we should strengthen it, not hold it back. In this geopolitical context, the United States is not only our largest trading partner, it is also a key security partner, and it must remain so. Even the democracy with which we seek to diversify our trade relations look to the United States as a key security ally. That remains the foundation of our broader strategic objective. Our history has proven that with the US on our sides, we defeated the most horrible totalitarian regimes, from Nazism and fascism in World War II to the fall of Berlin Wall and defeating the communism. For some people, the hell is the other people, as Sartre said. But only together we can defeat the enemy, regardless of what face it holds now. Thank you, colleagues, and I call upon of you to do this historic job and to support this trade deal. Thank you.
Ďakujem.